Hello, I'm Barry Crabtree, your certified arborist. This is a quick tip by Smart Landscape Care. I'm the Fifth Element Protocol. We work together to solve problems with trees, and we have a problem in this homeowner's property. There's two big oaks. As you can see, they're very close to the house, and what has happened this spring with the wet conditions and the fact that this tree has been encroached upon pretty heavily when there was a patio built and there was some digging around in its critical root zone. A tree this big has a critical root zone that extends very far. These leaves are inhabited by a microscopic mite that you can't see on the camera right now, but they're covered with mites that are sucking the chlorophyll out of these leaves, eventually putting holes in it. They're so stealthy and sneaky, there's a hole in the leaf right there that they put ultimately, and the tree is beginning to fail. That's an action threshold in integrated pest management. The customer called us over here. This is how we solve it. This is called micro-injection. We take these capsules. This is a finished tree right here where we've taken these capsules. We insert them right here. Okay. Put it under pressure, 20 pounds of pressure, and the tree with this circulation takes it up. Now this is a poison to kill these insects. Anything that eats or feeds on this tree is going to get sick and die. And that's exactly what we want, because right now, if these insects are allowed to take the foliage of these trees, here's another one right here beside it. These are some of the capsules still in place. We put 17 in one tree, 13 capsules like this in another tree, and it's all taken up systemically. These trees are so big we can't spray them. This is the only way we can treat them. And if you have trees that are close to the house that are being encroached upon, walked under, ridden under, dug around, or anything like that, micro-injection and the system that you've seen demonstrated here is easy enough to apply in your ecosystem to save your trees.